again to show.
Hey guys, so I'm leaving work right now. It's a Sunday. I got called in, but when I got to my car and started it up, I noticed it was significantly louder than when I arrived to work. And I looked underneath, as you can hear in my car right now. Watch. Like, this thing is so freaking loud right now. But anyways, my tailpipe muffler and little S pipe that goes to the back of the X pipe fell off mysteriously. It just came undone and it was dragging on the floor as I was trying to drive away from work, and I heard it. But dude, so basically I'm running header to X pipe and that's it. No muffler. I mean, I still have one side, but the other side is the one that's open right now, and it is extremely loud. All right, well, I'm on my way back home. I'm gonna put this thing back on, and I'm gonna figure out why it keeps coming up. All right, guys, I'll see you back at home. So anyways, good things to come. Like I said, my last video, I said there were more mods to come to this car, and I wasn't lying. So I just got done with the gym right now after work. I'm heading over to go pick up my daughter from preschool, and then I'm gonna head home. And there should be a package waiting for me on my doorstep. You'll find out when we get there. Alright guys, so as promised, here is the next mod to the car. Let's go ahead and open these up. Specialist equipment. Alright, now that that's done with, let's go and pop this out. And here they are. So this product is from Redline Quick Lift, and as you can guess, these are hood struts. Oh my goodness, look how pretty they are. I am excited. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on right now. And so what I've heard is that these are actually pretty easy to put on. It does require a little bit of arts and crafts, but nothing that I can't handle. So let's do it. Oh my god, it's hot in there. Okay. 10 mil, and one of these should be a 13. It's a 14. That would be smart of me. That's 14. There's a 13. So first things first, the windshield washer hose here. fluid hose, you want to go ahead and remove it from this hole. Pretty simple, just to pop out. And then we're going to attach like so, right there. So we're gonna want to go ahead and remove this to 13. If you, yeah. So it's a 13 mil. First you want to loosen. Okay. I'll go ahead and slide this over. Alright, now that's tightened down. I'm going to pop this guy back in. There. So now she's in. And make sure this is nice and tight. Cool. Alright, so that is one side. So that's going to be one hinge bracket. We're going to go over there and do the other one. Now I recommend before you actually do tighten it down, make sure it's even. So you don't want a crooked one. I don't know how well that'll work. Alright, I think it's pretty even. Alright, next up guys, is to install this crafty little plastic insert guide. So this is where you're going to make a punch, and that punch is going to locate where you're going to actually drill. So unfortunately I don't have a little capture clip here because I've lost most of them, but I do have one, and I hope I don't lose this one. That would suck. Go in. So unfortunately I don't actually have a punch, so I'm going to use a knife, and that should have a small enough. So you want to make sure that so if you see this line right here going down, you want to make sure that the edge is aligned with that. So I'll go ahead and secure that. And then make a mark. Yep, there it is. Okay. Alright, so when we do this final drill, we're going to the 3/4 mark, right? So I'm assuming that's going to be to the base of this. So let's go ahead and do that. There's the hole. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but this part is a little tricky. Just follow the instructions on how to get in. You kind of like have to like loosen it up most of the way, put it in an angle, and then turn it to get the anchor in there. But yeah, we're almost done here. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten this thing back up. And now we're gonna go ahead and re-put the battery cover back on. See if our fitment is right. I hope it is. That would suck if it's not. Doesn't look that bad. I'm actually surprised at how it looks. Go ahead and put my lowly clip back in. The one thing that's holding this thing back down. So the extension is the one that's going to attach to the fender. There, that's on. So you do have that. Alright, so raise up on the ball hood, on the hood. Then you go ahead and At least it goes down. I was afraid of that. Don't let that fall in there. Alright guys, my camera ran out of room, but so now I'm just using my phone. Here is the final result here. Just make sure that these are actually clipped in properly. Well, here's the moment of truth. Let's actually shut it. Make sure this thing works. Beautiful. Alright, that actually works out better than I thought. Just look at these things. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed this process. Little arts and crafts here and there. I love doing arts and crafts. I love modding this car. So, still more to come. Alright guys, as always, don't forget, if you're not a member already, please subscribe. I'm looking for some more support here. Please slap a like down there, show your support, share this video with your friends. If you actually like these installs, please let me know. I'll do some more later on, like tutorials. If you have any questions about anything I've done so far, feel free to ask. I'm happy to answer. Alright guys, as always, be safe out there.